Hello everyone. In last lecture we start the point types of electrode. In last lecture we discussed three types of electrode. In this lecture there are two types of electrode we will discuss. In this lecture we discuss first type is gas electrode. What is gas electrode? First we discuss with the diagram. In this type of electrode, pure gas is bubbled through platinized platinum electrode. Here, this is a platinized electrode. It is dipped in solution. Therefore, the reaction is here. We write down what is gas electrode equation or cell reaction. First, platinized platinum electrode through H2 gas is bubbled around this platinized platinum electrode and the solution is HCl solution or that ion containing solution, that is H plus ions. Therefore, we write down platinized platinum wire, H2 gas and aqueous solution of H plus ions. This is the cell reaction, this is the cell for this type of electrode. Now we write down the reaction or cell reaction for this type of electrode. First, H plus plus 1 electron to gives 1 half CH2. Okay, this is cell reaction for this type of gas electrode. Here we write down the reaction question for this reaction is Q is equal to, this is gas, therefore 1 atmospheric pressure. Here we write down pressure of H2 gas raised to power 1 half divided by for this reaction question write down here Q is equal to pressure of H2 gas to the power 1 half divided by activity of H plus ions this value is put up in Nernst equation. Therefore, we write down firstly the Nernst equation. E is equal to E naught minus 2.303 RT NF into log of Q to the base 10. This is Nernst equation. Therefore, we put the value of Q in this equation. E is equal to E naught for hydrogen gas minus 2.303 RT N into F. N is nothing but number of electrons. In this reaction, number of electrons is 1. Therefore, we put up the value of 1. 2.303 RT upon F into log of, we know that the value of Q, that is Q is equal to pressure of H2 gas to the raised to the power 1 half divided by activity of or concentration of H plus ions. Therefore, put up this value, pressure of H2 gas raised to the power 1 half whole divided by activity of H plus ions to the base 10. This is the equation for this type of gas electrode. Therefore, E is equal to E naught for gas electrode in EMF series, the value is 0.0 volt. We discuss this point EMF series in next lecture. Therefore, only here write down the value of E naught is equal to 0.0 volt. Therefore, put up the value minus 2.303 into RT whole divided by F into, as it is log of pressure of H2 raised to 1/2 whole divided by activity of H plus ions. Next is, we know that the pressure P is equal to, for hydrogen gas is 1 atmospheric pressure. Therefore, P is equal to H2 is equal to 1 atmospheric pressure. Then the equation becomes E is equal to minus 2.303 minus 2.303 RT divided by F into log of value put up, that is 1 divided by activity of H plus ions to the base 10. Since here write down pressure of H2 gas is equal to 1 atmospheric pressure in bracket. Next is, we know that the definition of pH, that is reciprocal of concentration of H plus ions to the logarithm. Therefore, write down A is equal to 2.303 RTF into, this is the value or definition of pH. Therefore, we only write down pH in bracket. Since log of 1 upon activity of H plus ions to the base 10 is equal to pH. Okay. Next is, at 298 Kelvin temperature, the value becomes RT upon F is converted to 0.00591. Therefore, write down E is equal to 0 minus 0.00591 into pH. This is the Nernst equation for this type of gas electrode. Next example is chlorine gas electrode. Next example is chlorine gas electrode. Chlorine gas, Cl2 gas and chlorine ions in aqueous solution. Solve same as it is hydrogen gas. Next type of electrode is oxidation reduction electrode or redox electrode. Oxidation reduction electrode or redox electrode. Ions of same element with different oxidation state Here we write down the another example of oxidation state is ferric oxide. Ferrous or ferric electrode. For this type of electrode, platinum electrode is dipped in a solution containing ions ferrous and ferric. Therefore, we write down here Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus. Here we write down platinum electrode is dipped in ferric and ferrous solution Fe2 plus. In this type of electrode, oxidation and reduction take place. For example, here we write down Fe3 plus, that is here reduction take place, and Fe2 plus gives oxidation. First we write down reduction. Reduction reaction. Fe3 plus plus 1 electron to gives Fe2 plus. Therefore, we get two different oxidation state, Fe3 plus and Fe2 plus. In this example, we write down firstly the reaction quotient Q. We get activity of Fe2 plus upon activity of Fe3 plus. Therefore, put up this value in Nernst equation. Here we write down inside Q is equal to activity of Fe2 plus upon activity of Fe3 plus. Now, the Nernst equation becomes E is equal to E naught minus 2.303 RT NF into log of Q reaction quotient to the base 10. Therefore, put up the values of Q. E naught is equal to E naught minus 2.303 RT. N is equal to 1 because number of electrons is 1 into divided by F. Log of Q, the value of Q is activity of Fe2 plus upon activity of Fe3 plus. Put up this value, we get then write down at 298 Kelvin temperature is equal to E naught minus this value converted to 0.0591 into log of activity of Fe2 plus upon activity of Fe3 plus. Okay, this is the example of ferric ferrous electrode. Another example is stannous electrode, that is platinum electrode is here we another write down is equal to E naught minus 0.0591 into this is reduction and oxidation. We write down log of reduction upon oxidation. Okay. Next example is stannous stannic electrode. The cell representation is platinum electrode is steeped in Sn4 plus gives Sn2 plus. These are the two different oxidation state to give stannous stannic electrode. Okay, same as it is, solve this example. These are the 5 types of electrode. In next lecture we discuss EMF series and single electrode potential. Okay, thank you.